How to add and manage multiple shipping addresses in Shein. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the shop page. At the bottom, you will find different options. Hit towards the option of Me. Now at the top right corner, you can find the settings icon. Click on it. Over here, you're going to find different options. Go to the option Address Book. Open it. From here, you can easily add and manage multiple shipping addresses in your account. You can click on this option of Add a shipping address. Now you can fill these. Firstly, you can select your location and then you can type in your first name, last name, likewise phone number, and then type in your address. After you fill this, if you want to make this address as your default one, you can toggle on for this option and you can click on the option of Save. In the case you want to add another address as well, you can click on this option of Add a shipping address. So this was really simple and quick process. This is how you can easily add and manage multiple shipping addresses in Shein account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.